Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a twist and curl using Afro Sheen products. I'm going to be using the Afro Sheen mousse and the Afro Sheen crown defining curl cream, and all the products that I do use in this video will be listed in the description box below. As you can see, I already did the back half of my hair, and now I am going to begin the front. I part my hair into sections and then I spray my hair with water. Now I am parting my hair into another smaller section, and then I am going to begin applying the products. I'm starting off with the curl cream, spreading it throughout all of my strands, making sure every single strand is covered with the product. And I always apply a little extra on my ends since they are the oldest part of my hair and they get the driest. And then afterwards, I'm going to detangle my ends. And after detangling my ends, I am going to apply the mousse. And my point in applying the mousse is to give my hair some hold. And this is my first time using Afro Sheen products, so I wasn't very sure about the hold with the cream or the hold with the mousse, so I just decided to use them both together just in case I needed some extra hold. Next, I am making sure that my hair is smooth and detangled, and then I'm going to split the section in half and begin to do my two-strand twist. Make sure that you are not borrowing hair while doing your two-strand twist, and make sure that you twist your hair tight enough. Once you get to the end of that twist, twirl it around your finger to keep your twist from coming apart, and it will also give you a cute little curl once your hair is dry. And then I will wipe off the excess product and do the exact same thing for this section of hair. And once I'm finished with all of my hair in the front, I will be back. Now that I am finished with all of my twists, I will be using these pink perm rods to curl my hair. I will be twirling each individual twist onto the perm rod. By twirling the twist around the perm rod, it will give you a spiral curl. And I'm going to do this for each twist, and then I will be back. It is now the next day and my hair is completely dry. I am just going to begin taking down all of these perm rods. I'm going to put some oil on my hands and spread it throughout all of my curls. And then I'm going to show you a close-up of my curls, because if you recall, I twirled my twist around the perm rod so I can get a spiral curl. So here's a close-up of the curls that I achieved with these perm rods. I'm just going to separate it so you can get a close-up of the spirals. I'm going to do one more. So just keep in mind to twirl the twist around the perm rod while doing this style. Now I am going to continue taking apart all of my twists, and after I take them apart, I will go through each twist and separate 2 or 3 more times just to get my desired fullness that I'm going for. And once I am finished separating and fluffing with my fingers, I will be using a wide tooth comb to continue fluffing and separating, and I will lift my roots with my wide tooth comb, and I will lift my roots only. I'm not going to disturb my curls. And my overall opinion of this product line, at least the products that I use from this line, is it defined my curls, and I really like the end result, but the products didn't have any hold. I used the cream and I used the mousse together and it didn't have much hold. This style lasted me 3 days, and then I co-washed it, and then I restyled it with a different product line. So overall, I think the hairstyle still turned out pretty cute, but it just doesn't have enough hold. 3 days is just not long enough for me. I am used to my styles lasting me an entire week. So I hope my video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, could you please hit that thumbs up button? And if you would like to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for every video that I post. And I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.